What is good, NIO family? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the one and only NIO stock and why I'm super bullish for the near-term and long-term futures for this company. I'm also going to talk about the overall stock market and how this may affect NIO going forward. I'm also going to talk about why NIO rallied today and what on earth did their latest delivery data show, as NIO has absolutely crushed it. I'm going to show you the numbers. I'm going to show you what they just tweeted about. That makes me very bullish for this company going forward. I'm also going to talk about what on earth is going on with the NIO ET7, as it did receive a very prestigious award for its design. Now, before I say anything about the ET7, before I talk about NIO's share price or what's going on with the technical analysis, I do have to mention some very important things. First off, I'm not a financial planner, guys. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but benefits the entire NIO community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to qualify for free real-time level 2 data for US stocks as well, guys. So please check out the link down below. And with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So look at NIO. It's absolutely killing it today, up over 5.65% for the day. Let's go, guys. And it's looking very, very good. Now, the thing on everyone's mind is what's going on with the market, right? Because how is that going to affect NIO going forward? So I'm going to first talk about this before I go into more detail about NIO. I'm going to make this very short. So look at the S&P, guys. The S&P is once again almost breaking all-time highs once again at $478, looking very, very strong. Now, this is a good indicator that the market's very bullish and the market is ready to allow many tech stocks like NIO to run the way they are. Now, look at this right here. The fear and greed index is at 68 right now. We've gone even more to the greedy side. Last time we were at 62, now we're at 68. And a couple of weeks ago, guys, we were extremely fearful. I'm sure you guys remember that. So the market's very greedy and it's looking very strong. Why is this significant? Because the market could allow NIO to run up very well. And I do believe it's going to continue after the new pieces of news that just came out. So NIO is looking really good. But the question is, why did it run up like this? So I'm going to talk about what's going on with NIO's share price first, before I talk about what on earth is probably going to play out for the future. So if you look at the share price for today, guys, if you look at the one-day chart, as you guys can see, we started off right over here at around the $33 range, right? Then we dropped to about 31. Then we slowly began to run up to about $33.47. But compared to where we were last week, guys, we're looking really, really strong right now. The exponential moving averages are all indicating that this thing is probably going to continue to run, and it's looking very, very bullish. Now, why am I so bullish for NIO? Well, look at this right here. NIO delivered 10,489 vehicles in December alone, up 49.7% year over year. For the fourth quarter, NIO's deliveries, they reached 25,034 units, rising 44.3% year over year. As of December 31st, 2021, NIO's deliveries, they ended up reaching 167,000 units. Once again, absolutely killing it, proving people wrong that said that this thing's about to crash. And it's just proving to us that this thing is not a dead cat in the water. They're just getting better and better and better. Now let's zoom into the picture right here, and you guys can see, look at their deliveries over and over again. These are the annual deliveries in total. It's just going up and up and up every single month. They're just killing it. The rate at which they deliver gets better and better and better, and they killed it. They absolutely killed it for the month of December in particular. It says right here 10,489 deliveries in December, with the growth of their 7th consecutive quarter. Once again, every quarter just getting better and better and better, and I think they're going to continue like this as time progresses, as their production and their means of production are getting better. Now, we can see there were a lot of news articles coming out, and they state that Chinese EV makers reported big delivery figures. NIO is surging the most. Once again, NIO was the stock that was undervalued the most, in my opinion, compared to its predecessors or its other rivals, so to speak, like XBong or Li Auto. And it, in my opinion, absolutely crushed it. They're doing really, really well. Now, the Motley Fool also talked about why NIO shares are starting the year moving higher. Now, if you guys look at this, they killed it when it comes to deliveries. Their fundamentals are there, and they're showing investors out there that had some doubt that, look, we're a great company, we're killing it, we're doing way, way, way better than a lot of people anticipate, and we crushed a lot of expectations. Now that just shows that NIO is going to kill it. They're probably going to continue to kill it. And I can't wait for their latest earnings reports that come out, which may indicate that NIO is getting closer and closer to being profitable, which could be very bullish for the stock price going forward. So if you look at NIO's share price, now let me talk about the technicals in more detail. Look at this right here. If I zoom into right here, we dropped to $27. I'm sure you guys remember that. Now we're showing a very good sign of reversal since then. And there were times where we dropped a little bit, like for a couple of days before we actually continued to run to the upside. But the big thing right over here is we're trading at or a little bit above the exponential moving averages over shorter and longer periods of time. That's a good sign because it's very bullish as the MACD is crossed with the 9-day moving average, showing that we have a lot of bullish momentum. Now the CCI is also looking really good alongside the RSI at 68.75. Let's go, guys. My point is the indicators are showing that this thing is not done just yet. I told you guys a couple of days ago that NIO has that resistance at around 34, and we came very close to it today. And I do think we're going to test it tomorrow. We're probably going to break it. We may go to the somewhat higher 30s very soon. Once again, I'm very bullish, but regardless of how high this next rally lets us run to, I'm still very bullish for the long term too, because I do think this thing is heavily undervalued. Look at the 6-month chart, guys. NIO was at a much higher level 6 months ago. It was looking much better in the 50s. Now we're currently a little bit down compared to then, but I do think we're going to start to stair step our way up because it is undervalued, as I stated before. Now, another big thing that I want to end this video with is the new ET7, as NIO's ET7 is a one hell of a car in my opinion. You can see right here, the NIO ET7 received the 2021 Red Dot Award for the high design quality. Once again, NIO is showing that it has an amazing, means of production. They have amazing cars, but it's not just about their cars, it's about their fundamentals too, as their customer service is also there. Their sedans are just crushing it. The ET7 is still a great car. It's very luxurious, and I think that a lot of people worried that the ET5 would overtake it, and that is a possibility. They could sell more of the ET5s, but the thing about the ET7 is it's like another version of the ET5 that's more luxurious in my opinion, which is why they're priced quite differently. But at the end of the day, they're all NIO cars. They're still being produced by NIO, so don't let that sway you away and fool you. So when it comes to the share price, it's looking really good, and I'm still very, very bullish. I can't wait for what this thing is going to do. I know it's been a lot of time since this thing has been in the red. I know you guys are maybe a little bit frustrated, but it's very good to see this thing in the green. And I do believe that if you give it some time, this thing is really going to run, and we are in the start of a bullish cycle. I just can't wait for what this year is going to have in turn. I really wish the best for everyone, and I'm very excited for NIO. So with that said and done, guys, I thank each and every single one of you all over the world who are watching these videos. I thank you for watching them. I have a lot of faith in NIO, and I wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous rest of the year. I did state this in a previous video, but I wanted to say it once again. I do appreciate every one of you, and I believe that we can make 2022 one of the best years ever if we let ourselves really, really learn, if we indulge in knowledge, and we never ever stop believing in our dreams. I thank you. I wish you all the best, and I believe NIO is going to the moon. Thank you, and peace out.